Hi! Today I'm going to demonstrate for you an elegant thank you card using the Love What You Do stamp set. It's part of the Gotta Have It All bundle that's a sneak peek purchase from the 2018-2019 Stampin' Up! Catalog. Sneak peeks are a lot of fun, but sneak purchases are even better. I'm Shelley Godby, the owner and CEO of Stamping Smiles, and for 17 years I've been teaching others how to create their own hand stamped smiles. So we'll be using some of the new sneak peek products on my elegant thank you card, but I'll be sure that you get to see everything that comes in the Gotta Have It All bundle. There are so many products in the Love What You Do Gotta Have It All bundle that even though I have them piled up, I still couldn't fit them all into this screenshot. But I'm going to quickly show you everything. Now there are 3 bundles for the May 2018 only sneak purchase special. But the Gotta Have It All bundle is the best. And so each of the 3 bundles include the Love What You Do stamp set, and we'll be using this today. And then we have, look at this, the Make a Difference stamp set. This is an alphabet that you got that cursive writing, upper and lower case, that it's photopolymer, so really easy to go ahead and create your own custom greetings or sentiments. And then we've got some other options that I've never seen before. Now Stampin' Up!, they pay so much attention to detail. It's their 30th anniversary. And what's the 30th gift anniversary? Well, pearls. And so look, pearlized doilies. Look at that finish. So pretty. And then we've got the Share What You Love Artisan Pearls. Beautiful. These are going to coordinate with the Designer Series paper, the whole suite of products. And there's more, but that's buried. And then look, we've got the, oh my goodness, Rich Raspberry 1/4 inch velvet ribbon. Feels so good, and I like that it's not terribly wide. This is going to work out really great on our handmade cards. And then we've got one of the new 2018-2020 in color classic Stampin' Pads, the Grapefruit Grove, which is one of the colors in the Share What You Love Designer Series paper. And then we've got some very vanilla cardstock. You'll be all set with 40 sheets of that. All right, so we're unbearing this. And then we've got the cardstock pack to go with the Share What You Love Specialty Designer Series paper. There's the Grapefruit Grove. And then look, here is that gorgeous paper. Unbelievable. Oh my goodness, these patterns are great. But look here, pearlized. Don't you love the theme? So pretty. And you get so much more than normal, double of what you normally get. Okay, and so look at this. This is exclusive to the Gotta Have It All bundle. That's why we gotta have the Gotta Have It All. And another exclusive to the Gotta Have It All bundle, the lovely floral dynamic impressions embossing folder. Look at that gorgeous flower. We'll be using this again today too. And so then you get 3 bonus products with the Gotta Have It All bundle. We've got the Share What You Love embellishment kit, and so we've got some laser die cuts and some other embellishments in there, those pretty roses. And look at that beautiful box and 2 of the patterns from the Share What You Love Specialty Designer Series paper. And then we've got the Statement of the Heart stamp set. Now this is Stampin' Up's mission statement. It's very pretty, and so that's our free bonus, as well as, to go with the very vanilla cardstock, some very vanilla envelopes. And so these are the 3 bonus products. And so I'll have a link to all 3 bundles so you can see the other 2 to save time, because we really want to get stamping. We're ready to stamp our elegant Love What You Do thank you card. So I've got Whisper White cardstock. If you're thinking, wait a minute, didn't you just show us very vanilla cardstock in envelopes in the Gotta Have It All bundle? I did. But look, here are the 2 patterns I'm going to use for my elegant thank you card. And in this one, the neutral color, well, that's Whisper White, and I want to coordinate with that. But this one, well, it doesn't have any white in it at all, and look how warm it looks with the very vanilla cardstock. So there are several patterns that don't have any Whisper White that the very vanilla will look really good with it. So let's go ahead and stamp, and I'm going to use the Tuxedo Black Memento ink pad. Here we go. We'll take that lid off, and I've got my flower. So let's go ahead and ink this up really well. All right. And we're going to come off to the side right here. There we go. Oh, very, very nice. And then while we have this out, we'll use the thank you that's included in the Love What You Do stamp set. And we'll come right over here and it'll fit in right here just oh so nicely. Oh, great. Okay. Oh, love it, love it, love it. All right, so we are done with the basic black. We'll go ahead and put that aside, just in case I got a little bit of ink in my hands. All right, and so then I was thinking I have to watercolor all those. No, I don't. We've got a fill-in stamp. And so Rich Raspberry is one of the colors in the Share What You Love Special Designer Series paper. Now, this is the old style pad. Push, flip, lock in place. When we get our new pads, they're going to open differently. All right, and so here is our solid stamp. And this is going to look like our paper when we're done, very close. So let's fill that in. Now let's do this one without re-inking so we get more than one shade. And then this one we'll do full strength. There we go. Doesn't that look fabulous? All right, so pulling that lip, flip, and click, and you know it's shut. And so now we're going to use crumb cake. All right, and with this big stamp, everything I'm using is included. You can see it right here in the Love What You Do stamp set. Let's get this all inked up. There we go, and we're going to just stamp right over top. Love the raggedy edge, isn't that awesome? Make sure we press everywhere and get a really good image. Well, there we go, and that resembles my designer series paper with that filling in around it. Pretty cool, huh? So now what we've got to do is grab the Big Shot and use that beautiful, lovely floral dynamic embossing folder. I've got my Big Shot die cutting machine, and so now we need to build our sandwich. So we're going to start with the Big Shot platform, and because we're using a dynamic embossing folder, it's so thick, we're not going to use a cutting pad on the bottom. All right, but before we do anything, because we got the dynamic folder, I've got basic black cardstock and my Stampin' spritzer, and we're going to spritz the cardstock to wetten it, and it'll make the impression even more impressive. All right, so let's go ahead and put this in. And I want this to be down to the bottom. Here we go. So we're putting that. I want that image to the bottom because I'll be covering up some of it at the top. And then Stampin' Up! Says for us to put it in with the opening first. So there we go. And now the rest of our sandwich is a cutting pad. All right, so go ahead and crank that through. There we go, and let's have a look at that big beautiful flower in our basic black cardstock, and oh my goodness, that is a thing of beauty. Now that we have our beautiful basic black embossed cardstock, we're ready to put it together. And so I've got my Whisper White cardstock we just stamped, and because this isn't flat, we're going to use mini glue dots. All right, so we'll take these out, peel it back so you can see them in the light, and you take your paper to it. And because you don't want to touch them because that'll take away from the extreme stickiness. All right, so one in each corner will be great. All right, so what I'm doing is centering this from right to left and top. I want equal distance from the top and the two sides. Great. Okay, so now you can see where we're getting onto that embossing. So we're definitely going to use mini glue dots again. Peel those back. Aha. Okay, and come up and under this. So this is going edge to edge in the basic black. And I'll have a link to my blog post with this card with all of the measurements. There we go. Oh, pretty, pretty, pretty. Is that straight? I think so. I think so. Okay. And then I cut a smaller strip of this. Didn't work out quite like I had it planned, but I really liked the way it turned out. I thought I would be showing a lot more of this pattern, but I liked it when I just put it right up to it to separate. Here we go. Oh, these two together, incredibly elegant. And then again, because we have that embossing, we're going to use mini glue dots to adhere this to the base of our card. Okay. Now down here at the bottom, you know, the embossing warped it a little bit. Let's go ahead and add an extra one We don't want a gap. And then I've got rich raspberry cardstock for my card base, and that's part of the cardstock pack, the Share What You Love cardstock pack that's in the Gotta Have It All bundle. So you can see why you want the Gotta Have It All bundle to get the beautiful, beautiful Designer Series paper in that embossing folder, as well as, those are just incredible. So here's the finished one. What I did was I just tied some basic black solid baker's twine around it, and then didn't that turn out lovely? And so this is my May 2018 thank you card. When you place your May 2018 order of $25 or more in products, I'm going to send you one of my Love What You Do elegant thank you cards. And so remember, the Gotta Have It All bundle and the other two with their bonus products, they're available May 2018 only in my online store, www.shopwithshelly.com. If you'd like to make my elegant Love What You Do thank you card, all the supplies are listed under the video and available to order now in my online store, www.shopwithshelly.com. And that includes all the sneak peek purchase products from the 2018-2019 catalog in the Gotta Have It All bundle with the 3 bonus products. Now that bundle's available May 2018 only in my online store, www.shopwithshelly.com. I'm Shelley Godby, teaching you how to create hand stamped smiles. Thanks for watching.